Well, here we have a very desirable BMW 5 Series, a 530D Sports Edition, which comes from 2005. Now, this car looks the business inside and out. It's covered a very low 47,000 miles. That's hardly anything for its year. Nicely specified it is too. Inside a very spacious cabin, it's a luxurious interior, all leather. You've got a really decent sounding music system with multi-changer CD player there. You've got all-round airbags, remote central locking, power-assisted steering and cruise control. Oh yes, you've got built-in satellite navigation as well. How about that? 0 to 60 in about 7 seconds if you push it. But you can expect around 30 to 40 miles per gallon. And 6 months road tax is under £150. Now, if you've got an old car that you'd like to part exchange, or if you need finance, no problem. Come down, we can sort all that for you with pleasure. If you fancy a test drive, why not ring and reserve? We'll hold this car for you for up to 48 hours until you can get here with no obligation. Come and discover this great car for yourself at Fords of Winsford.